get it. Damn.
I'll just keep going until you get it. One.
One.
I can't. I thought he constipated.
This whole video is about you. Damn. Why can't I burp?
Because you're a girl.
Well, you can burp. Apparently, you're not a girl.
You make myself burp. You were the one that...
I have a wiener, guys.
Nicole,
look at my wiener. Look at it. It's like a boner.
Ew.
Well, how else would it be sticking out that far?
Yeah, say something. Guys, when girls have a sleepover, this is not what we do.
That's why the guys are gonna see this.
Yeah. We don't do this. We don't talk about Nicole's little sleep there.
You're acting like you're drunk.
We do burp. I am. What are you talking about?
We have burping contest. Heck yes.
Yeah.
Wait.
She has one coming, folks. It's for folks.
Did you?
That was Nicole's burp.
Oh my god! You burp and I'll have the camera at me and then it'll look like I'm burping. Ready?
You burp.
Ready?
You can make yourself burp.
Just cause. Okay, stay by the camera.
Just keep your mouth open, I'll do it. That's so disgusting.